comment by Shehzad Poonawalla. Storm over Iyer's remarks. And now everyone, of course, responding to the situation, hitting out at Rahul Gandhi. BJP has taken a jibe as well.
कांग्रेस पूरे टुकड़े टुकड़े मोड में है। मणिशंकर अय्यर तो कहते हैं कांग्रेस जीत नहीं पाएगी राहुल गांधी के नेतृत्व में केरला में। वो कहते हैं मैं गांधीयन हूँ, नेहरूवियन हूँ, राजियन हूँ, पर राहुलियन नहीं हूँ। मतलब राहुल गांधी के खिलाफ सीधा नो कॉन्फिडेंस। वो ये भी कहते हैं कि पवन खेड़ा ये टट्टू है, पपेट है। पवन खेड़ा, केसी वेणुगोपाल थोड़ी मुझे निकालेंगे। मैं तो कांग्रेस पार्टी में आज भी हूँ, कांग्रेस पार्टी और एआईसीसी का मेंबर हूँ। मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे ही मुझे निकाल सकते हैं। तो जो उनका बयान है वो दरअसल कांग्रेस का ही बयान है और ये प्रथम परिवार के सबसे घनिष्ठ वरिष्ठ दरबारी है। वो कह रहे हैं कि राहुल नहीं जीत पाएंगे। वहाँ टीएमसी कह रही है राहुल गांधी से नहीं हो पाएगा, राहुल हटाओ, इंडिया अलायंस को बचाओ, ममता दीदी को लाओ। और फिर असम में भूपेन बोरा भी कांग्रेस को छोड़ रहे हैं, बोल रहे राहुल गांधी में कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं। राहुल गांधी के खिलाफ नो कॉन्फिडेंस की वेव चल रही है, इसीलिए वो संवैधानिक संस्थाओं पे नो कॉन्फिडेंस लाते हैं। नोबडी ट्रस्ट राहुल। राहुल गांधी एक पॉलिटिकल लायबिलिटी है। राहुल गांधी जनमत से भी नो कॉन्फिडेंस पाते हैं, 95 चुनाव हारते हैं। संगत से भी नो कॉन्फिडेंस पाते हैं, अलायंस पार्टनर्स उनको रिजेक्ट करते हैं। और अब
All right, let's go across to Akanksha. Manishankar Aiyar has made it absolutely clear that he does not trust Rahul Gandhi's leadership when he says, I'm a Gandhian, I'm a Rajivian, but I'm not a Rahulian. I believe you have some reactions?
Absolutely. Right after the comments were made by Manishankar Aiyar, remember Pawan Khera of the Congress party, he had said, and I quote, Manishankar Aiyar has had no connection whatsoever with the Congress for the past few years, and that is something that has been countered by him now. He speaks and writes purely in his personal capacity, and now the Bharatiya Janata Party has mocked the Congress party and Rahul Gandhi. Pradeep Bhandari of the BJP has said, and I quote, loyalists who spent entire lifetime in Congress party now openly speaking against Rahul Gandhi. When your own leaders do not believe in your leadership, imagine the state of your party. Manishankar Aiyar said, I'm a Rajivian, not a Rahulian. Congress versus Rahul Gandhi. Congress has rejected Rahul Gandhi, but that is how BJP has mocked the Congress party. But as soon as the first initial comments were made by Manishankar Aiyar, remember how Jairam Ramesh and Pawan Khera, they had come out they had become very defensive as far as Jairam Ramesh is concerned. He had said that let there be no doubt the people of Kerala will bring the UDF back for more responsible and responsive government. They also know that LDF and BJP are covert partners, and now BJP is mocking the Congress party and going on to say that this has exposed the internal drift within the Congress party, with Manishankar Aiyar saying that I am a Rajivian and not a Rahulian.
All right, Akanksha, thank you very much for getting us the reaction. So Manishankar Aiyar has made it clear, he has declared that he is not a Rahulian, and Congress netas are going after the veteran leader. Discredit Aiyar operation begins in the Congress party. Congress now says Aiyar not a part of Congress. Mr. Manishankar Aiyar had a rebuttal for that as well. With the Kerala election just months away, the Congress moved swiftly to contain the damage. The party issued a strong disclaimer saying Manishankar Aiyar has had no connection whatsoever with the Congress in recent years, and that he speaks purely in his personal capacity.
See, what happened that whatever he says, I mean, Mr. Manishankar Aiyar, and it is a personal opinion. Why did it say that media ask clarification from Congress party? He is not holding any position, and they have a different opinion about organization and party. But a person who is not connected now with Congress, whatever he says, and, and the question is directed to Congress, this is not fair. This is not fair.
Manishankar Aiyar, he said that LDF is one.
He is not part of the Congress party. I don't want to comment on it.
Manishankar Aiyar, he said that LDF is one.
He is not part of the Congress party. I don't want to comment on it.
He is not in our party, so why should I comment? So his words are not at all carrying any weight as far as Congress party is concerned.
So you heard Congress netas there hitting out at Manishankar Aiyar, some of them suggesting that Manishankar Aiyar is not part of the Congress party. That's their defense. He's not part of Congress. But Manishankar Aiyar had a comeback or a rebuttal for that criticism as well when he said, why am I still a PCC member from Kumbakonam? So Manishankar Aiyar, they are saying neither Pawan Khera nor KC Venugopal will decide my status. It's only Mallikarjun Kharge, the Congress president, who will take a decision, and he has not yet thrown me out of Congress. Let's listen in.
If I'm being kicked out, it's because I am a Gandhian, I am a Nehruvian, I am a Rajivian, but I'm not a Rahulian.
Arpita is with us on the broadcast. Arpita, Manishankar Aiyar perhaps knew the kind of reactions that will come in. So he says, if I'm kicked out of the party, it is only going to be because I'm not a Rahulian.
Well, yes, he has made it clear. In fact, yesterday when he was praising the LDF government, I think even then he knew what is going to come next. And that is why when today Pawan Khera, KC Venugopal, Ramesh Chennithala, all of them said that he is not part of the party. Since last 5 years, he is not associated with the party. He has come with a clarification that he is very well part of the party. In fact, only person who can kick him out is Kharge, and he has made it clear that Pawan Khera is just a puppet of the party. So Khera, KC Venugopal or Ramesh Chennithala, they are no one to say that he is not part of the party unless and until he gets a written clarification from the High Command, from Mallikarjun Kharge. Only then he is going to believe that he is not part of the party, and the reason is he has clearly said that the reason being he is not a supporter of Rahul Gandhi. He doesn't agree to whatever Rahul Gandhi is saying. He has clearly said that the reason for him being expelled from the Congress party could only be he being a Rajivian, Nehruian, and not a Rahul Gandhian. So that is the statement that is coming in from Aiyar. In fact, it clearly looks like he knew what is he saying, and he clearly knew that because he is not a part of the Rahul Gandhi group or is not a supporter of the Rahul Gandhi group, this is something that can happen from the party's side.
Certainly preempted the attacks that were going to come his way. Let's listen into the excerpts of that conversation you had with Mr. Manishankar Aiyar. Several truth bombs have been dropped by him and a clear reality check coming in for Rahul Gandhi.
If I'm being kicked out, it's because I am a Gandhian, I am a Nehruvian, I am a Rajivian, but I'm not a Rahulian. The fact is, there is only one person who can kick me out of the Congress, and that is Mallikarjun Kharge. I said that Pinarayi will be the next chief minister.
Now,
you see, as a congressman, please let me say it, as a congressman, I want the UDF to win. As a Gandhian, I'm obliged to tell the truth. If anybody had listened to Mrs. Mary Joseph yesterday and her listing of the achievements of the Pinarayi government, anyone had listened to Sri V.K. Ramachandran yesterday and his listing of the governments, since the people of Kerala are the most intelligent people in India, except for the Tamils, I can only say that such an intelligent people can only elect the Pinarayi government, because the Congress is a herd of competing scorpions.
But so Pawan Khera and Ramesh Chennithala, all of them have.
All right, Arpita continues to be with us. So, Mr. Manishankar Aiyar has made it absolutely clear that he does not trust Rahul Gandhi's leadership. As far as Kerala is concerned, he says that intelligent people of Kerala will choose a government like that of Mr. Vijayan's. Why would they vote for Congress? You know, just ahead of elections, when a senior leader, a veteran makes those kind of statements, it goes on to show the kind of confidence that he has on the political chances of his own party.
Well, yes, this statement comes because he said when he heard about the achievements that Pinarayi government has done, he was very much surprised, and that is why he has made the statement that he wants Pinarayi Vijayan as the chief minister again. Now, second statement what he has made is that he thinks LDF government follows Rajiv Gandhi's ideologies, the work that has been done, or the roadmap that Rajiv Gandhi has set for India. That is something LDF government is following or closely doing with, and that is why he very much thinks that Kerala people are very intelligent, and that is why they have voted LDF government to power, and they want the same government to come again in the upcoming assembly election, saying that intelligent people will vote for such a government who has done so much work for the state, and that is why he wishes Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan to be again the Chief Minister of the state in the upcoming assembly election.
All right, Arpita, do keep tracking all the developments. Manishankar Iyer there giving a reality check to Rahul Gandhi and his core team when he says that he is a Gandhian, he is a Rajivian, but he is not a Rahulian. And then also goes on to say, if I am kicked out of the party, is only going to be because I am not a Rahulian. He also challenges the authority of says, who are these people? If any action has to be taken against me, that will be taken by the Congress president, which is Mallikarjun Kharge. He has not kicked me out of the party as of yet. My name is Iyer. I am not a Rahulian. Let's shift our focus to some breaking inputs coming in on the broadcast now.